Summer clothing. Today we will learn summer clothing. Welcome to Champs Education. Champs Education में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम सीखेंगे समर क्लोथिंग यानी गर्मियों के कपड़ों के नाम। So let's start with me. Dress, Hawaiian shirt, T-shirt. Dress, Hawaiian shirt, T-shirt. Shorts, Polo shirt, tank top. Shorts, polo shirt, tank top. Cap, sunglasses. Straw hat. Cap, sunglasses, straw hat. Swim trunks. One-piece bathing suit. Bikini. Swim trunks. One-piece bathing suit. Bikini. Singlet. Flip-flops. Overalls. Singlet, flip-flops, overalls. Winter clothing. सर्दियों में पहने जाने वाले कपड़ों के नाम। Beanies, gloves, mittens. Beanies, gloves, mittens. Socks, scarf, boots. Socks, scarf, boots. Earmuffs, sweater, jacket. Earmuffs, sweater, jacket. Long coat, long sleeve top. Cardigan. Long coat, long sleeve top, cardigan. Trench coat, fleece jacket. Jeans. Trench coat, fleece jacket, jeans. Rainy season clothing. Now let's see rainy season clothing. अब हम देखते हैं बारिशों में पहनने जाने वाले कपड़े और एक्सेसरीज के नाम। रेन कोट, रेन सूट, गम बूट्स. रेन कोट, रेन सूट, गम boots. Umbrella, rubber gloves. Rain hat, umbrella, rubber gloves, rain hat. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share our videos. Thank you so much.